Tucked just south of Kettering, Burton Latimer might not grab your attention right away, but give it a moment, and you'll start to notice the little things that make it special. This small Northamptonshire town has roots that run deep. It shows up in the Domesday Book from 1086, back when it was just called Burtony. The Latimer part came later, named after a Norman family who held the manor in the 1200s. You can still feel those medieval traces, especially around the old church and town centre. Burton Latimer changed with the times. From farming to milling to shoemaking, the town slowly evolved. Walk down some of the older streets and you'll see red brick homes and old factory buildings, quiet reminders of a time when this area helped power the local economy. The Church of St. Mary the Virgin has stood for centuries, its spire a familiar landmark. Inside, it's full of charm, aged stone, stained glass, and a sense of calm. Outside, the graveyard tells stories of local families who've lived here for generations. If you're into peaceful walks, Burton Latimer Pocket Park is worth a visit. It hugs the River Eyes and is perfect for a bit of nature without straying far from town. You can follow the Eyes Valley Trail from here, a lovely route with birds, wildflowers and flowing water all around. Want to go further? Paths lead out to Thrapston Lakes or toward Isham and Barton Seagrave. Spring and summer are the best times. The meadows are buzzing, quite literally. Just outside town, the Burton Wold Wind Farm makes an impression. The wind turbines are huge, but there's also a walking loop around them. It's open countryside, quiet roads, and some great views of Northamptonshire. Then there's Bosworth's Garden Centre. Locals love it. Not just for the plants, but for the cafe, gift shop, and seasonal events. It's the kind of place you stop at for 5 minutes and somehow stay for an hour. For food and drink, you've got options. The Old Victoria is a cosy pub with traditional vibes and proper meals. Think roasts and ales. And if you fancy something different, the Pal Michael serves up really good Italian food. It's not flashy, but it's the real deal. Burton Latimer still has that independent streak. The high street isn't packed, but you'll find small family-run shops, a good butcher, and places that remember your name. There's even a local heritage group that runs walks and events from time to time. This isn't a tourist town, and that's exactly the point. It's quiet, grounded, and proud of it. It's a place to slow down. A good base if you want to explore the countryside, with spots like Wicksteed Park, Boughton House, and Rockingham Castle, all nearby. Thinking of moving? It's well connected via the A14, and bigger towns like Kettering and Northampton are close. There are schools, local events, and just enough going on without the stress of city life. Burton Latimer may not be on the front page of travel guides, but that's okay. It's a place where people nod hello in the street, where time moves just a bit slower, where history, nature, and community all quietly come together. You don't need to rush through. Stay a while, it grows on you.